Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, Illinois, where we're filming our Summit and Quail Ridge trailers today. These are all new 2020s. We're looking at unit number 5696, which is a 2020 Summit 355 FL with the loft. It's a beautiful trailer. It's antique white with tan windows and doors. Got the tan package. That means you can skirt it with tan skirting instead of white skirting. Tan is a good skirting. Don't look like the rest of the trailer park. There's a water spigot, auxiliary air conditioner, and there you go. That's the off-door side. Well, let's go on in and see what makes these so cool. These are a new offering for 2020. They're not even in the brochure. So if your dealer never went to the Forest River Dealer Expo, you'll never know that there is one of these. Well, I know there is, and I got 3 of them. We plan on selling at least 10 of these this year because they're one of our more affordable models. It's got all the great features you'd want. One cool thing about this trailer, it's got plank flooring on the entire main floor. There's carpet only in the loft. Stairs in the loft is the only place with carpet. There's your loft, and it's a big loft. It's a half loft, and as you can see, I told you there was, stick my camera up there. Got the auxiliary air conditioner in the corner. Steps leading up. You got a functional fireplace here. Got a nice ceiling fan to move the air around. The extended dormer gives a great big feeling of openness in the front room here. And you've got windows so you can see what's going on. So if you got a view, you got a pretty good view. Around here, you're looking at a cornfield and a trailer next door, but hopefully you got a better view at your campsite than I do at my sales lot. So there's lots of cabinetry. The sofas are sleeper sofas. Everything in these stays in them. There's storage under the stairs there. You see them 2 little doors. There's storage under the seats. See the storage under the seat. You've got all these ball bearing full extension drawer guides on all the drawers. You got lots of nice cabinetry. Lots of nice cabinetry. Shelving. You've got a pantry in the hall. Pantry has some nice shelving in it too. I doubt if anybody could fill that up. Well, let me think, though. We're talking about camping. You probably could fill it up. Got a 30-inch range and microwave. 30-inch 5-burner range. Them are nicer than the one I got at home. Bathroom is standard but functional. It's got your medicine cabinet. It's got a vanity with some storage under it. Medicine cabinet. Commode, commode down there, the all-important window for ventilation, and then you also have your tub, shower, surround. It's a good family unit. So, onward to the master bedroom. You've got a queen bed, nightstand and lamp, mini blinds on the windows. You got the latest and greatest Forest River cabinetry. You've got 8 drawers and 4 doors, and that's exactly what you need. Again, they're full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like I showed you earlier. And then the cabinets have lights in them, so you can find your whatever it is you're looking for. One nice thing about these mirrors is that's where the electrical panel is hid, and they're all clearly marked, as you can see. So anyhow, this is the 2020 Summit 355 FL. I believe I said it was 5696. Sometimes I get the numbers joggled in my head, but I think that's what this one was. So anyhow, come on down and see them. I got 3 of them, so chances are I have at least one of them when you get here. Pretty cool trailer. Thanks from Kelly Hicks Construction for looking at my videos. I welcome comments, good, bad, or ugly. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Have a great day.